What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another speed build with MrNeighbor here on Leo's Artifacts. Today we've got the set 76217, the I Am Groot set. I should have said I Am Groot first, but oh well. 476 pieces on this one. Now, a few rules. Well, there's one rule. You guys know that the moment the box is open, that's when the build starts. The timer starts when the box is open. We will go through and I must complete all the steps in the instruction booklet, and that will constitute the entire build, and we will hit another world record. You know, all my other speeds have been world records, as you know. And another thing that we're going to be doing for this video, I will be adding in a secret word at some point in the video. It will flash on the screen. You take that word, go on over to the Leo's Artifacts Instagram channel, comment on their story, where there will be a suggestions thing. You go ahead and type the word in there, and you'll be put into a giveaway to win the set that I will be building today. And free stuff is cool. Now, with all that being said, that's basically it. Let's go ahead and switch the camera over and let's get the build started.